you start by bending a fork around a spoon like this. You got to jam that in like this. So don't use your nice silverware for this. And then we're going to get a match. Now we're going to light the match because this is the crazy thing. But first, before we do, we want to stick it in there. Now we can bring over this martini glass. Well, the thing is this creates a really cool balance if we get it just right. Let me see if I can. Perfect. Okay.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, but even cooler is when I light the match, it's going to burn and it will balance on nothing.
No.
Yeah, that's the crazy thing. So now, first of all, it's because the spoon and the fork are this way. So we all remember this toy where it will balance on your finger like this.
I used to play with them as a kid all the time.
Yeah, and the reason is because there's just a weight hidden in the wing. And as long as that's going this way, it can balance like that. So that's what that's doing.
Okay.
But the crazy thing is with the match, and I'm gonna light it.
It has to balance on something though. So you're saying if it's gonna burn it to the end.
It's gonna burn it to the end and there's going to be nothing. It's very, very cool. Now, I think what it has to do with is the fact that once it burns, a couple things happen. It kind of solidifies. So if I was to hold the match here to the glass like this and light it with another match, it would actually stick to the glass. There's other sort of challenges that you can do where you can stick a match to glass like that. So I think part of it is it will stick to the glass there at the bottom. And the other thing is the glass cuts off the oxygen from the bottom to it, so that without oxygen, the fire goes out before it has time to drop. Okay, so bring that camera in so we can light that match. I gotta make sure it looks like the balance is
it positioned
perfect.
correctly?
I think so. If anything, I hope that it doesn't need to be, yeah, because if you go too far this way, it falls in.
It'll fall in if you...
And too far that way, it falls out. Oh man, I don't know if this is gonna work. Okay, here we go.
Oh shoot. Oh shoot.
Okay, let's see if it does it. Oh, we don't want to bump the table. Oh man.
It's gonna burn it off.
Oh man. Oh, that's crazy looking. And the fire goes out. Now here's the weird thing. Watch. That is insane. Look at, get a close-up shot.
Look at
That's
that.
on nothing.